Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check it out. I have 28 cameras here on my property. I've reviewed a ton of cameras, solar cameras, hardwired cameras, over IP cameras, tons of cameras, Z-Moto, some that I paid for myself, some that were a sense of me to review. This camera setup, and I haven't even opened it yet, but I know this because I own two other sets of these, is the best camera setup you can get. And here's why. I'm not going to clickbait you with this. The reason this is better than all the other cameras I reviewed is that this one does not require a cloud service. That's a huge deal. Stuff unfortunately recently happening in the news. They had camera systems on the property, and yet when the police went to get that, the information had already been written over because 24 hours had passed and they didn't have cloud service storage. It's kind of a scam. It's like a lot of things are a scam now. They all want you to get on this rotation where you have a monthly fee to exist with them. Well, Ansque doesn't ask you to do that. This comes with its own built-in drive. That drive allows you to plug that directly into a router. And then these four cameras, when we plug them in and put them wherever we want, they're solar powered. They're transmitting that data back to that hard drive or SD drive, whatever it is on this. I think it's an SD card or SD drive. And when it does that, it's saving it all right to your house. Now, you get notifications of movement on your phone. You can download from this to your phone to have a copy. So let's say you're at work and it says, hey, there's motion, and you look, somebody's there that's not supposed to be there. Well, if you're worried about them walking off with this, you can still make a copy of that on your device. But this allows you to have it in-house, no extra payments, no extra monthly bills. So let's go ahead, get the camera closer in. I'm gonna unbox this. I won't show you the setup here on the property, but I'll show you some of the footage that it takes and show you how it works with the phone. Let's do it. So here it is up close. It's the Ansque GU01 4-cam kit. All right, so we do have reset and power under here. There's our speaker, and our mic is probably hidden in there somewhere, I would imagine. Oh no, there's our mic there, right? So there they are, they're pretty cool. And again, there's our hard drive to go with it. And it looks like there's four of these, so you could charge these if you wanted to. They included cables to charge these up front, although they usually come with a charge. Okay, so here's the whole kit. I'm not going to show you installing all the cameras, especially since it's so cold outside. I'm afraid my camera would actually stop working properly. But we're going to get it all set up. I've got it all laid out and ready to install. On three of them, I chose to mount the solar panel directly to it. Now, something to notice is you can swivel that top around if you want to. But in this case, I'm just going to face it forward. We'll see how it does. We'll see where the sun is. And then we have these clips. Got my solar plugged in. And there's just a little port right here to plug that cable in. This one, I'm leaving it separate. This one's going to go in a different spot, so it may be necessary to have the solar panel a little bit in a different position here. Then we got our hard drive here, or whatever you want to call that, our base station. It does come with a LAN cable and a power supply, so I'm going to get that hooked up to the router. And of course, we need to download the app. As far as extras go, enough to mount all four solar array. Like if you want the solar panels mounted separate, it comes with enough to do that. And of course, it comes with screws and mollies and everything to mount the security cameras themselves. And this does have pan and tilt, so you'll be able to move this around. So if you get it in a good spot, but you want the angle slightly different, that doesn't mean you have to take it all the way back apart. Literally control it through the app to change the angle of the camera. Okay, let me go ahead and get these things set up. All right, here's one of them installed. You can see I got it hooked up. All right, here's another one. And let me just show you. To set these up for the first time, you just press and hold that button that pairs it to the main unit inside, and then it's a waterproof, so that'll protect that. And we'll set that back up the way we want it, which is about there. Okay, cool. All right, let's go inside and I'll show you the main device and how it pairs. Okay, here is this main hard drive unit or base unit all plugged in. So when we first turn it on, this thing blinks, and then as you pair, there's a button back here if it doesn't want to pair automatically, but mine just paired automatically. And there it is. And if you want to transfer files, there's a USB port there as well. But I just been leaving it here because it transmits to my phone, and I can download it from that to my phone if I want to keep that file. And I've got it hardwired up here to my router. Well, I guess that'll do it. Not a whole lot more. Let's go up top, get the cell phone out, and I'll show you what it looks like. Let's go. KuCam is the name of the app. They've changed that from Ansque's own app. And it's saying, hey, I'm connected. And then we got stuff. And you have choices here. You can go to events. You can view live if you want to. And of course, this thing has some extra features as well, right? You have the ability to move up, down, left, or right. You can speak. You can hear what's going on in there. You can obviously do a live recording if you want to, but it automatically detects what's going on there. And I'll zoom in. You can kind of see the view of it. And as you can see, like here's our van leaving, and it looks like it picked up some stuff overnight. So let's take a look at events here, and we're going to go back, to yesterday or Friday, I guess it was. There we go. And here we have something going on here late at night, and it looks like just rain is what it picked up on that camera. But so it saves that, and that's what makes this Ansque product so much better, is that it doesn't need to go onto the internet and have like a paid service, because it's right here on your computer. And that's what makes it really cool. So let me see. I'll find this one here. Looks like it's it suddenly started facing the ground for some reason, but let's take a look. Let's see, I think I caught a deer. Yeah, let's see. There's one. And you can see. So it's catching movement. So yeah, that's it. That's how it works. It just keeps track of everything, and this will go back a good long ways. And the only time that it's going to copy over that is if you run out of space on it and it just overwrites. I also see here signal strength, battery charge, and it's looking for motion. This one here looks like the batteries needs to be charged today, but the rest of them are getting full sunlight, so they're charging up better. Pretty cool, huh? Well, I guess that's it. I'll leave a link to where you can pick this thing up, and I will see you next time. Take care.